girl from Khatri clears APSC exam. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi and Karbi Anglong Live visit historic site inside Donghap. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In the recently declared results of APSC CCE 2018, 3 Karbis brought laurel for the tribe. Their achievements have made everyone proud. Of the 3 achievers, one is a young girl from Khatri, Dharbam under Kamrup Metro District. Her name is Kabita Phangchopi, daughter of Bagen Phangcho and Gita Phangchopi. She secured 127th rank in the APSC examination. Kabita had been a bright student and had always been dedicated and hardworking. She had done her MA in Political Science and also has a B.Ed degree. Before cracking the APSC, she was working as a teacher in a government school. Despite her busy and hectic duty as a teacher, her patience and dedication had brought her a very good result. The Karbis residing in Kamrup as well as other parts of Assam are elated and encouraged by her performance and had extended their well wishes to her. Members of local students' organizations including KSU, AAKSU and others have visited Kabita's house and felicitated her. The other 2 Karbis who had cracked the exam was Bharat Ingling and Lindarin Teronpi. Nituraj Ronghang from Sonapur for Karbi Anglong Live. As per the direction of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee to immerse the ass of former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi in river across the 33 districts of Assam, the Kopili Mandal Congress on Sunday immersed the ass of the former CM in Kopili River. The ash of the former Assam Chief Minister was immersed in the middle of the Kopili River in Phelangpi, falling under the West Karbi Anglong District, led by APCCI and District Congress Committee, which were led by APCCI Secretary Manoj Bora, District Congress President Sarthek Ramsa, WKAYC President Augustine Inghi, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ex-EM Ilis Ingtipi, Singh Teron, Rensing Bay and others. The ash of the former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi was immersed as part of the ancient Indian tradition, customs and beliefs to release departed soul from bondage and to help their spirit progress toward liberation or moksha.
আমি সদায় কংগ্ৰেছ দল নিৰ্বাচনৰ কাৰণে সাজু আমাৰ প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে আমাৰ নিৰ্বাচন আমি সন্মুখীন হওঁ আৰু ঠিক তেনেদৰে আগন্তুক দিনতো আমাৰ নিৰ্বাচন আছে আমি ইতিমধ্যে এই প্ৰগ্ৰামটো আগৰ পৰা আমি কঁকালত টঙালি বান্ধি আমি কংগ্ৰেছে যুঁজৰ কাৰণে সাজু হৈছোঁ আশা কৰোঁ আমি আগন্তুক দিনত ফলাফল লাভ কৰিম
নেতৃত্ব নথকাত অনাগত দিনত কিবা সমস্যাৰ সন্মুখীন হ'ব পাৰে
হয় অসম কংগ্ৰেছৰে নহয় তেখেতৰ নেতৃত্ব অসমৰ কাৰণে বহুত প্ৰয়োজন আছিল তেখেত এজন এনেকুৱা ব্যক্তি আছিল দল বিশেষ নাছিল সকলো দলতকৈ তেখেত জ্যেষ্ঠ আছিল তেখেতৰ অভিজ্ঞতাটো অসমক লাগিছিল মই ভাবোঁ হয় অসমৰ কাৰণে এটা ডাঙৰ ক্ষতি কিন্তু আমি যুৱ প্ৰজন্মই আৰু লগতে অন্যান্য দলৰ সকলো বিষয়ববীয়া এইটো চেষ্টা কৰিব লাগিব যে যোনখন অসম তেখেতে গঢ়ি থোৱাৰ সপোন দেখাইছিল সেইখিনিৰ পথতে আমি আগবঢ়াই যেন অসমখনক আগুৱাই লৈ যাওঁ
Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi and Karbi Anglong Live team visited to see a water well claimed to have been dug during the colonial era 15 kilometers away from Donghap. The well of the colonial period was dug out in a place between Ronghang village and the highest range known as Kanglem Range. According to the Ronghang village dwellers, the well was dug by their grandfathers during the first expedition of the Britishers and that it was dug out when the Britishers were erecting border pillars in the area.
Solang tu kedolo.
Na solang tu ke ha nipu tu madin hu nipu ni pa tu madin ho se bang hajara sungdan long vek lo.
Sungdan long.
Sungdan long vek lo la se. Tu ta har so bristil hut ala so lang tu kusi than hur lo
Kilo areng lok tum tong napa hutoy ma.
kalang lo areng lok tu masi napa hut toy si tu man dak rong asu tum da kasar huta bang chong da long lo
Hala suhut.
la so ha so hut si la si nan puta je thang bom lo
British halang tu.
bristil halang tu
Further, according to the villagers, as told to them by their grandparents, the well is about 65 kilometers or 1,120 feet deep, and it was dug out by the Britishers as there are no rivers in and around these areas. In addition to this, the villagers told Karbi Anglong Live that the Britishers were forced to leave this area after the British official had complained of having continued nightmares. And villagers from those times believed that this area is inhabited by ailing spirits and therefore no village can be established. Following these claims of the villagers, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Rites Inghe and Karbi Anglong Live team visited the site and interacted with the villagers to record their statements and also to see it for themselves. Bikram Teran's report from Danarong for Karbi Anglong Live. A beneficiary inside Puloni under the Harakhat block alleged that the construction work of the house belonging to her was abandoned midway by the contractor. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana house that was left incomplete belongs to the beneficiary identified as Kavi Terangpi, wife of Robert Ingti, a poor resident of Vochet Tokbi village falling under the 12th Puloni MSC constituency. According to Kavi Terangpi, she was very excited when the construction of her house began 3 years back, but left her heartbroken when the work got abandoned due to reasons only known to the contractor. Further, she told Karbi Anglong Live that she did not receive any response even after approaching Harakhat block office multiple times. The beneficiary also told Karbi Anglong Live that she also met MSC Dorsing Ronghang for its solution but did not materialize even as the MSC had assured of its completion. The PMAY house for the poor women and her family was allotted due to SGB Komal Tokbi's sincere involvement.
Amen ke abu cetok birang.
Wacce tok biro. Nanti tunggu koso homusti si puri lo lake.
Puluni hamasti.
Puluni homusti si puri lo
Homusti,
lake. Nanti langsung hem komentu ningkan menoi pangceng ke.
Aningkan mang tani liba ini ninga video lon sami ningkan ki thom bag dug lobon.
Ningkan thom.
Son bag dug lobon.
Nanti langsung hem so nanti tuhan komasi naiwan pilo.
Komol tokbi.
Komol tok bi. Lake kona rong sorne.
Dak rong sibelo ni tu. Sarkari borgang buralo.
Sorgari borgang.
Nalo.
Dagang nanti tu marong asor.
Nidi tu marong asor malo.
Nanti tu langsung hem nang patang pi pede rapor nanti tu cipudam dela.
Ni tu nge puik piglo gram sibel khanta pulo. Ni litum kahala tok bisar tum han anta pu ulu ki piglo gram ki pigelo minister la rong hang lo anta dami kelo ni tum ke rong hang anta pulo mal nang paklu pulo anta nang lili delo mal bangki. Itum ko amisilo. Elo anta dam lo ni tum ke.
Meanwhile, the beneficiary urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for its intervention on the matter and the concerned authority and the contractor for its early completion to end their lifelong hardships and pains due to lack of proper shelter. Harsing Rongpi from Harakhat and Dirjana Rongpi from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.